Fine. You know what? I'm just going to, oh, here we go. Position 13 and 14. 13 is Charose Fontenot. Is that a waiver or,
Yes, Your Honor.
okay?
There we go. Yep.
25 CR 7991G, accused of criminal trespass from December 10th of this year. Ms. Hardy, any priors?
The last arrest was August the 1st, 2025, out of Fulton for loitering and prowling. They're on probation for that case under 25 CR 004373. There's also another probation case for criminal trespass under 25 CR 002368G. Nothing further to report.
Ms. Spear?
There's already a 1,000 surety already set, so we would ask that it remain. It looks like he's going to need a visit from a social worker, as this was an attempt to find shelter in the cold, so I'm going to guess he's residentially challenged. And to stay away from 882 Fox Street where this occurred. No drugs, alcohol, or weapons while on bond.
Mr. Abraham?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Fontenot, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, is 24 years old. He's currently working as a hair and wig stylist. He's been doing that for about 2 years. He was in the restaurant industry and service industry before that for about a year. He's been in Georgia for about 5 to 6 years. He has his brother and his mom here. He is currently unhoused, as mentioned. He has an address where he does get his mail. I believe it's at a hotel, 55 Miller Street. But we also already did put a social worker request out for him as to housing. As to community ties, Your Honor, he does volunteer at a local food bank despite his unhoused status. And while we do understand the existence of a $1,000 surety bond already set, given the financial difficulties, Your Honor, and this mere attempt of seeking shelter in this cold weather, Your Honor, we would request a signature bond.
Okay. This is his fourth arrest this year in Fulton County. I'm afraid he's heading towards recidivism. $50 cash bond only to stay away from 882 Fox Street in Atlanta, Georgia. Next court date is December 23rd, and he'll need a social worker visit for housing and any other issues.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kadra Gilbert, accused of reckless driving. What are we doing?
That's a waiver, Your Honor. That's mine.
All right. Ms. Gilbert is accused of reckless driving from December 3rd this year, 25 CR 7970C. Any priors, Ms. Hobbs?
There's last arrest was December 3rd, 2025, out of Fulton for a probation violation. There's 19 total cycles in Georgia of 2025 felony conviction for possession of a firearm, 2017 entering auto. There is an open case for theft by taking under 25 PI 010043. Nothing further to report.
Thank you. Mr. Scarrock, Ms. Spear?
Yes, it's mine, Your Honor. I did want to point out that on her driver's history, she has 6 prior FTA suspension for traffic-related offenses. So we're asking for a $1,500 surety with no alcohol, drugs, or weapons while on bond.
Okay. Ms. Renford?
Yes, Your Honor. My client is 30 years old. He has been in Georgia all his life. He mentioned to me that he has a 4-year-old son. His girlfriend is currently in nursing school. He's the man of the house. He pays all the bills. He needs to get back home so that he can help out with their child, Your Honor. He also mentioned to me that he had an outstanding bond. So I believe, I can't remember the exact, but it was a high number, Your Honor. So
15,000. It's
15,000.
Yes, yeah.
So he mentioned that he can't afford anything else because he's gonna have to come up with the money for that, Your Honor. So I would be asking if possible, we could get a signature bond, and if not, the lowest possible amount due to the fact that he already has a very high bond that he has to take care of, Your Honor. He also mentioned that he's in trade school for HVAC maintenance work, Your Honor. So again, I'll just be asking for a signature bond if applicable, and if not, the lowest possible amount.
Bond is set at 1,500, so surety bond. No driving unless he has a valid driver's license, adequate insurance, and proper registration. Case reset to December 23rd. I have position 17, Basil Salam Himo. Position 17, he's got 3 counts of simple battery under accusation 25 CR 7971G. And the same defendant has a criminal trespass causing damage to property under accusation 25 CR 7980G. The latter case is from January 28, 2025. Presence has been waived. Are we resetting this case? Ms. Kim?
Yes, we would like to request for live stream to be stopped for this because of MH issue. And I believe his mother is on the Zoom here.
Okay.